I love it when the first snowdrops start to flower at this time of the year. It makes you feel that spring is hopefully just around the corner and we've got a whole new gardening season ahead of us. So whether you're new to gardening or whether you've been gardening for years, we'll hope you'll join us with our pots and trowels videos every week. So about 2 inches apart, that's what we're aiming for. And the reason I want to shred them is because they're going to go onto the compost heap. Cut on the pull stroke, 6 inches apart. They don't need to be too close. On the pot. I'm trying to finish planting sweet peas. Go on. So maybe just once a year at this time of the year and just putting some of them around the base. Now leeks and brassicas, or the cabbage family, you can use seed that you opened last year as long as you've kept it cool. We're going to cover everything you can need to know. We're going to be seed sowing, taking cuttings, growing fruit, flowers, vegetables, pruning, lawn care, dealing with houseplants, and I'll even answer questions as we go along through the season. You can watch us every week on Facebook and you can also subscribe for free on YouTube. So join us on Pots and Trowels every week and let's all enjoy the gardening season together.